Before we start learning about 1C Enterprise, we should first download the platform. The 1C Enterprise platform training version contains everything that you need to develop, debug, and execute any application created based on 1C Enterprise. Once you've installed the 1C Enterprise platform training version, you can launch it locally and develop new applications or customize existing ones. To download the installation pack, let's go to our 1C Developers Network website, where we need to log on or create an account. I already have an account, so I'll just log on. The next step is to click the free trial option in the top left corner of the web page. Choose your platform version and start downloading. In the downloaded archive, we have to select the corresponding installation file. The installation is typical. We don't actually need any other option, only the 1C Enterprise itself. We also have to choose the installation folder. And then we can choose the installation language that will be used while working with the platform. The final step is to click the install button and wait until the installation is finished. And now, congratulations! You have the platform installed and ready to go on your PC.